We wanted to make a short video to explain the differences between the TuffSew Platinum and the TuffSew Platinum Plus sewing machines because they look very similar. The standard Platinum machine has a 100 stitch sewing chart in the front. That's for your regular stitches, utility stitches, stretch stitches, decorative stitches, embroidery stitches, and quite a few different buttonholes. This same chart is also on the Platinum Plus in the front. Same exact stitches. But you get an additional 100 stitches in the top pattern chart, as you can see. We are giving you numbers, uppercase letters, lowercase letters, and more. Now you have a sewing machine that can sew names and sentences. So please check our sample pictures in the ad. Thank you.